Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about chapter first of class 11, which is physical world. Physical world is nothing but the world around of us, or it is a world of natural phenomena. Now I am going to share my PPT with you. So, what is science? Science is the systematic study of nature and behavior of natural things through the observation and experimentation. So, in science, we study some natural phenomena through the observation and careful experimentation. So, what kind of natural phenomena occurs around us? There are several kinds of natural phenomena occurs, such as thunderstorm, volcano, earthquake, and rain, etc. In science, we study the factors that are responsible for occurrence of these phenomena through the careful observation and experimentation. Why rain occurs, why earthquake occurs, all these are studied under science. So what is scientific method? To observe the natural phenomena, we have to go through some scientific method. We have to use some specific systematic method to observe this phenomena. It is called as a scientific method. We get the knowledge about that phenomena in depth way or in systematic way through the scientific method. Okay, there are several kinds of scientific methods. First one is systematic observation. Here you collect the data in orderly form and record the data over the specific period of time. For example, if you take the data about 4 months, 6 months or year. For example, you have to observe the performance of the student for about a year. Then you have to check his performance in assignment, his performance in midterm exam, as well as in the final exam. Put that data in a tabular form and analyze that data and draw some conclusion about his performance. Next comes control experiment. In control experiment, you have to do some experimentation under the closed space or some space, keeping some parameter constant and one of the parameter change. For example, if you want to if you want to check the plant growth, okay, then take the two plants of same age, give a proper amount of soil, fertilizers to both of them, put that both plant in a same place, in a same sunlight area, give large amount of water to one of the plant and lesser amount water to another plant. Then observe the growth for about 7 days or for few days. Then it can be seen that the plant with a proper amount of water grows properly, whereas another plant get died due to shortage of water. This is called as a control experiment. In this experiment, what we have changed, we change only water amount. And what kind of parameter we kept constant? We kept soil texture and amount of sunlight. Both the two parameters are made constant here. Next comes qualitative reasoning. In qualitative reasoning, we check about behavioral pattern as well as some characteristics of some phenomena. And we express the characteristics in terms of the terms such as low, high, increasing and decreasing. For example, a rainfall is the natural phenomenon and we express is in the terms of high. If the rainfall is too high, then flood situation will arise. Here, we express the phenomena in terms of high. We are not expressing in terms of percentage of rainfall. We are not giving any numeric value that responsible for the flood situation. Okay. Next comes when water is heated above the boiling point, then water level get reduced. Here we are not mentioning the boiling point of the temperature, volume of that water. We are not mentioning here. We are only expressing in terms of reduce. Next comes quantitative reasoning. In quantitative reasoning, we provide the numeric data. We express and analyze the problem on the basis of numeric data. We use the terms such as mean, median, range as a quantitative parameter. For example, if you want to find the average mark of the student, then what you have to do, take the summation of individual marks obtained by that student in individual subject, divide the total marks by the total number of subjects. For example, if you want to check the average marks for 5 subjects, then you have to check physics, chemistry, biology, maths, English, and divide by total number of subjects. Total number of subjects are 5. So take the average, means mean of that marks. Next method, scientific method, is mathematical modeling. In mathematical modeling, we express the system or the process in some mathematical expression or some mathematical equation or form, some kind of form. We analyze that process in terms of mathematical form. For example, if you want to find out the acceleration of some trolley or some vehicle, then you have to apply some force to that vehicle and observe the speed of that vehicle. Okay, and change in the speed or change in the velocity of that vehicle is nothing but the acceleration. Here, second law of motion that is given by Newton is expressed in the mathematical model as F is equal to ma, where F is the force applied to that vehicle and m is the mass of that object, a be the acceleration, which is change in velocity that is occurs because of applied force, which occurs due to applied force. Okay, here we have given the picture also. Here we've applied the force to this vehicle and acceleration happens. More is the mass of the object, then we have to give more amount of force. For lighter weight of that object, we have to give lesser amount of force. For the same force, if the object is different, then acceleration will be different. Suppose we check lesser mass object, then the force, for the same force, acceleration will be large. And if the object is heavy, then for the same force, the acceleration will be less. This is the theory behind this mathematical model. In verification and prediction, we analyze the mathematical model, draw some observation data and verify with the actual value. We put some value in the mathematical model and do the verification or do the observation to draw some conclusion about that mathematical model. Mathematical model are very useful for building the big system, and doing the prediction are useful for making that object or making the system very popular. And big factories or industries launch their product after prediction and verification. Okay. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks.